हेलो एवरीवन। मैं हूं अभिलाषा, आपकी फेवरेट वीआरसी मेंटर। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आईआईटी और आईएम्स के परफेक्ट ब्लेंड के बारे में। Before I begin, let me quickly introduce myself and then we will talk about the topic for the day, which of course is IITs and IIMs and how they form that perfect blending of management plus technology. तो मैं अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ। ऑफ कोर्स मैं 21 ईयर्स से पढ़ा रही हूँ। आई हैव बीन टीचिंग फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स नाउ फॉर कैट क्लैट। आई हैव co-authored a book called Quantitative Aptitude and Reasoning. I have scored a 99.99 percentile in the VRC section of so many cats. I'm an inveterate book lover, and of course, I am in love with mentoring my students. I've taught nearly 50,000 plus students, and it's been my passion, and it's been my pleasure teaching all of you. On an academy, I've been teaching for the last 6 months, and it's been a great journey. And I think I've found my niche. So yeah. All those who haven't yet joined Unacademy, remember to use AbhiCat for your 10% discount on all Unacademy courses. Okay. Let me begin by talking about why IITs, why IIMs, why is it the perfect blend. Every time I've been on a B school campus, and trust me, I've been on so many B school campuses, one thing that struck me is that how there are so many IITians on B school campuses. It is like amazing. You stand on, anywhere in any hostel and just say IIT, and 20 heads will poke out of the rooms, and they'll be like, yeah, yeah, yeah. And you'll laugh, you'll die laughing that how many IITians are actually on campus. And this is true of all the campuses. It is not just the IIM Ahmedabad or Lucknow or my home ground, but it is true for all the campuses. Wherever you will go, whatever B school you will find, there will be so many IITians out there. Now, why is it happening? Is it that because the IITs are perfect breeding grounds for managers? Is it that it is now the time for techno managers? Earlier, when they were FMCGs or the service industries, for that matter, FMCGs especially, or the consultants. Now, what happened was because FMCGs were hugely influenced by the manufacturing industry, probably that is why all the companies that wanted to pick up managers wanted to pick up someone who was, who knew the basics of engineering and then also knew management. So the recruiters always wanted candidates who would be that perfect blend of technology knowledge as well as management knowledge, and they knew where better to get such candidates. So there was that inclination for techno managers or for people who were technology heavy, who knew their engineering also. And where better than an IIT for an engineer? So probably that is one of the reasons why all the IIMs have been so inclined towards IIT students. There will be other reasons also, of course. If you ask the IIM profs, or if you ask people who are studying in the IIMs, why is it that the IITs are like such favorite breeding grounds? Everybody will come up with their own reason, but statistics do tell us that nearly 38% of students on campus come from IIT. If you look at this chart, from NIT and BITs, you have 14%. You have 8% of chartered accountants. You have some 14% commerce and economics students. You have some 18% from other engineering backgrounds, some 8% from other backgrounds, but overwhelmingly nearly 38% of the candidates, that's almost 40% of the candidates, are coming from IITs. Now, why is this happening, or what is it that drives these B schools to pick up the IITian? Somewhere there are some skills that I have personally seen in IITians and that I've really appreciated, and I found that to be like amazingly suited to the management career. They're very sincere, they're very diligent. The IITians are because they've worked so hard to get into the IIT and also to exist in that IIT. They're very focused, they're very single minded, they know what they want to do and they know how to get there, and for that they're willing to do anything. they have already proven their ability to study. They've already proven their intelligence. The IIT test, the JEE is one of the toughest tests in the country. So obviously they've already proven their intelligence. So it's not anymore that is this an intelligent person. We've already benchmarked him as or her as an intelligent student. He is already able to study very hard. He has got a terrific peer group, and now this peer group is going to go out into the world and spread their tentacles everywhere. And networking, trust me, is everything. So that then becomes important. These guys are able to very easily take on extremely tedious tasks. They can sit and work at a project for hours and hours and hours on end without any hassle. They don't get distracted. So these are qualities that a company is always looking for in recruits. Their people should be hardworking, they should be sincere, they should be able to take on a project and kind of take it to the end, whether it is selling Lux, or whether it is selling Dell computers, or whether it is selling an idea. You need someone who's very quick with their thinking, who's able to pick up all these things and kind of distill it. And that somewhere is happening with the IITians, and very, very beautifully. And probably that is one of the reasons why the IITians are so suited to that management education, and why they're all so uh, the IIMs are so much in love with the IITians. So guys, with that, I hope you've learned a little bit about this perfect blend of IITs and IIMs. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Let's crack it.